Double reference is a reference to a reference. In Rust, double reference does not have any special meaning. It does the same job as a single reference. Let's create a vector v1. Vec, give it an initial value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's create a variable. Give it a name v2 equal to. Let's call this iter method on this v1 vector. This iter method will create an iterator from this vector, and each element in this iterator will be a reference to the element in this v1 vector. Then let's call the filter method on this iterator. This filter method will take a closure as argument. This closure can get each element's value from this iterator. So let's give it a name in this closure A. This A's argument's type is reference to iter2 value. When we use this iter method, it will create a reference to an element. Then we will call this filter method. This filter method will create a reference to the element in this iterator, so it will be the double reference to the element in this vector. In this closure body, let's add a condition like a less than 3. It means we only want the element values less than 3. Because this S type is reference iter2 value, so we need to add the double reference, and let's call the collect method to turn that iterator become a vector. Let's use TurboFish to add the type annotation vec underscore. If we remove this double reference sign, you can see compiler will give us an error because this is type is reference iter2 value. It is different type from this value 3. Another way we can add a double dereference operator before this a variable. So you can see we can get rid of that error. In Rust, it not only can create a double reference, also can create a triple reference or quadruple reference. Let's create a variable a, give it a value 10. Let's create another variable r equal to reference to this a. Let's create a variable rr equal to reference r. Let's create a variable rr equal to reference to rr. You can see first variable r is reference to iter2, and the second rr type is reference iter2, and the third variable rr is reference iter2. Let's print out this variable r. In terminal, let's go run. You can see it will all print out the value is 10. No matter we create how many references to a reference, it always will get the original value. This is about double reference. Hope I'll see you next time.